Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing these 3 ingredient miracle masks that save me from sunburn and acne scars. So the first thing you will need is apple cider vinegar. The next one you're also going to need is some ground turmeric. It is a spice and you can find this in any spice shop. The next thing you need is some papaya. You need it to be very ripe and yellow. The next thing you do is you put this into a blender and also add 1 heaped spoonful of turmeric. You put this in there and I do about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Now you want to use as much vinegar as you like, but you also have to put this into consideration that vinegar is an acid. So I just put the lid on and I blend it till it's super soft and smooth. So these are some facts about apple cider vinegar. It helps exfoliate the skin, soothes and improves texture, absorbs excess oil, and also balances the skin's pH level. So when you're done, you can see that I can scoop it with a spoon, so it's easy and it's spreadable on the face. You have to remember that this is a mask and not a scrub. Just put this in this little disposable containers, but you can put it in whatever container you have, so you can store this in the refrigerator. So you can see the bright yellow color. This is because of the turmeric and the papaya. So turmeric is excellent for acne, and it is also a natural antiseptic and works well with apple cider vinegar. So I just applied this on my face. You want to store this in the fridge, so it's going to be very cold when you apply this on your face. If you don't like cold stuff on your face, you can bring it out from the fridge and let it just come to room temperature. So papaya also whitens the skin, so it has natural skin lightening agents in it. It also helps repair aged skin and is also an amazing exfoliant. And then allow it to dry for 20 minutes. When it's dry, you would feel it tighten up your face, and I just go ahead, wash it off with some warm water or cold water, whichever you like, and then I wipe my face with a towel. So if you want to see my normal everyday skincare routine, please comment down below and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will help you out if you're going through any of this. Leave me a comment down below.